Most people waste hours in Google Sheets without even realizing it. They copy and paste, type formulas the wrong way, or scroll endlessly trying to find data. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common mistakes beginners make in Google Sheets Mobile and the faster, smarter way to do them instead. Once you see these shortcuts, you'll never go back. Let's get started. Tap the underlined A at the top of the screen, tap Cell, tap Fill Color, select the background color, select the shade, tap the grid to close the selection screen, tap the cell or range of cells, tap the bucket at the bottom of the screen, select the color you want, select the shade, tap the grid to close the selection screen.